Hey, I'm Dylan, one of the sales guys at Mule Expedition Outfitters. This is my 2016 Tacoma. I'm gonna show you guys what I've done to it. All right, so I got a SDHQ hidden winch mount up here with the Come Up 9.5 Slim. Also running a Factor 55 flat link on there. So for suspension, I'm running Fox DSE 2.5s with Total Chaos upper and lower control arms. Running about almost 3 inches of lift. For tires, I got Yokohama Geolander MTs, 315 75/16s on Stealth Custom Series SR8s in 16 with the -12 offset. I also got the Safari snorkel up here, which raises the air intake, helps it get a little bit cooler air and cleaner air during dusty environments. I do a lot of camping over in Eastern Washington and fishing, so I opted for the ARB Touring awning, and that's mounted to a Prinsu roof rack. Helps give a lot of shade when you're out in the desert. All right, so with the longer wheelbase, the Tacomas, I added rock sliders from Bay Area Metal Fab. Really helps with protecting those rocker panels when you're in a little bit more rugged terrain. I wanted more secure dry storage for my fishing gear and also a bunch of other camping gear, so I opted for the Alucab Expedition canopy, which also allows me to mount my ARB rooftop tent along with it for those long camping trips. In the back, I got the Goose Gear 60% rear seat delete, along with the Alucab fridge slide and an ARB fridge powered by a Dometic PLB 40. Up front, I'm running the Expedition Essentials accessory mount, which gives me good locations for the phone, communication, and also has some power to it as well. All right, for the late night drives, I have the Baja Design Squadron Pros in the ditch light and the factory fog location. I'm also running the Rego Fabrications ditch light brackets. That's the build for now, with more to come in the future. If you need some advice on how to build your Toyota Tacoma for exploring, you can find me at Mule Expedition Outfitters in Preston, Washington.